You just finished reading and discussing the book, The Wheels on the Bike. So now it is time for your independent activity. For your independent activity, you are going to make a map of the different things that the bike went past in the story. So for example, when I read the story, I remembered that the bike drove past an ice cream shop, and a hot dog stand, and a flower shop, and then it ended up at the circus. So those are the things that I remember and that I put into my map. So it's your turn to remember what you read from the story. If you need to go over it again or watch the video of the story again to help you remember, that's totally fine. Go ahead and make your map, and then when you're all done, I want you to go back to your pictures and label them with the first letter of that picture. So for example, flower, flower starts with the letter F, so I wrote F. Hot dog, hot dog starts with the letter H, so I wrote the H.